Hi, my name is Ryan Lichtenfeld and I am a member of the Mortgage University sponsored by Midwest Mortgage Capital. Today's Friday Guideline update is on a very good loan that's available in the state of Illinois called the IHDA Home Loan Program. We're going to give you a little bit of information about that loan and also talk to you about who qualifies for it and why someone would want this type of loan. First of all, we're going to look at why someone would get an IHDA home loan. First reason, and probably the biggest reason, is that they can get down payment assistance. Qualified home buyers, as you see here, can get up to $6,000 for the down payment and for closing cost. What it is, it's a 10-year, 0% forgivable loan. How that works is if they live in the house and have this mortgage for 10 years, then they never have to pay a dime on it. If they sell the house after 5 years, then they're going to have to pay half of that money back. Second reason, lower interest rates. Interest rates on conventional FHA, VA, USDA loans through the IHDA home loan program are actually in a lot of cases lower than in the regular market. Third reason, lower mortgage insurance. An individual who puts less than 20% down and gets a conventional loan is still going to have to pay mortgage insurance, but it's going to be significantly cheaper if they get that loan through the IHDA home loan program. Now, not everybody qualifies to be able to get this loan. Here are three sections of individuals that do, though. First of all, first-time home buyers. First-time home buyers, according to the IHDA home loan program, are individuals that have not owned a primary residence in the last 3 years, and their household income does not exceed the applicable limit. Second section, veterans, again, whose household income does not exceed the applicable limit, and an individual purchasing a home in a targeted area. We're going to explain that later on in the presentation. But again, their income cannot exceed the applicable limit. Now, let's explain some of those topics that we talked about as far as who qualifies. First of all, let's explain what the applicable income limits are. In a non-targeted area, households of 1 or 2 individuals can make up to $71,100. If there's 3 or more individuals in the household, they can make up to $81,765. If they live in a targeted area or are purchasing a house in a targeted area, those numbers go up. Again, 1 or 2 individuals, over $85,000 can be their income. If it's 3 or more individuals, they can make almost $100,000, and if they buy a house in a targeted area. There's also maximum purchase price limits, which you can see here. St. Clair, most of the counties around here, St. Clair, Clinton, Madison, the maximum purchase price is just over $256,000. For a lot of the other counties, it's $247,000. If it's a targeted area, then the purchase price limit goes up to $377,898. Now, what is a targeted area? You can read the definition according to IHDA.org right there on your screen. I'm not going to go through it. It's actually pretty confusing and doesn't mean anything to most people. So what I suggest you do is go to IHDA.org, scroll over the tab called the Home Ownership Programs, which you'll find on the left side of your screen, and click on Targeted Area Lookup Guides. A third option is to call us, and believe it or not, that's probably your best option. Other important information you should know: first of all, there's minimum credit score requirements, 620 for FHA, VA, and USDA loans, 660 for conventional loans. This next one is important. I want you to understand. The buyer must contribute 1% of the purchase price or $1,000, whichever is greater. So for a $150,000 purchase, the buyer must put in $1,500 of their own money towards the transaction. It can go towards closing costs, down payment, or whatever it might be. Third thing is that homeownership counseling is required. Not a difficult step, nothing to be scared of at all. Now, we hope you got a little bit out of that. We hope you understand this program, or at least are now introduced to this very good Illinois program. But if you do have questions, please give us a call at 618-624-0066, or obviously go to our website at midwestmortgagecapital.com. Thank you and have a great day.